Stop saying, I did it now. Americans don't say that. If you say, I did it now, we think you mean right this second. But that's not what you mean, right? You probably mean, I just did it, or I did it just now. Big difference.
Huge difference. And if you get this wrong, your American friends might look confused. Like, wait, you're doing it now or you already did it?
Exactly. So today, we're fixing this. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly when to say now, when to say just now, and when to say just. And you'll sound way more natural.
Hey everyone, welcome to Speaklio English. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. We teach real American English, the kind you actually hear every day in the USA.
Not textbook English, not formal English, real spoken English that Americans use at work, with friends, at the store, everywhere.
And if you want to practice with us every week, hit that subscribe button right now. We make learning English simple and natural.
Okay, so let's talk about why this topic matters. A lot of learners use now when they should use just now or just, and it makes your sentences sound a little off.
Right. In American English, now means this moment, right now. But just now means a few seconds ago or a few minutes ago. And just by itself, that also means very recently.
So if you say, I did it now, Americans think you're doing it at this exact second, but you probably already finished it a minute ago.
Exactly. So let's break this down together. First, let's look at now.
Now is super simple. It means right at this moment. It's happening right now.
For example, I'm working now. That means I'm working at this exact moment.
Or can you call me now? That means call me right this second.
Perfect. Now is present, happening right now. Easy, right?
Totally. But here's where learners make mistakes. They say things like, I finished my homework now.
And that sounds wrong, because if you finished it, it's done. It's in the past, so you can't say now.
Right. You should say, I just finished my homework, or I finished my homework just now.
Exactly. Just and just now both mean very recently, like a few seconds ago or a few minutes ago.
Let me give you more examples. I just ate. That means I ate very recently, maybe 5 minutes ago.
Or I ate just now. Same meaning, very recent past.
Yes, both are correct. I just ate and I ate just now mean the same thing.
But Americans use I just ate more often. It's more common and more natural.
True. Just now is also natural, but just by itself is easier and faster.
Okay, let's practice together. I'll say a wrong sentence and you fix it. Ready?
Ready.
I called you now.
Wrong. It should be I just called you, or I called you just now.
Perfect. Because the call already happened, it's finished, so we can't use now.
Exactly. Now is for things happening right this second.
Okay, your turn. Fix this one. I did my laundry now.
Easy. I just did my laundry, or I did my laundry just now.
Yes. Great job. See how natural that sounds?
Now let's look at some real-life situations. Imagine you're texting your friend.
Your friend asks, did you send the email? And you already sent it 2 minutes ago.
What do you say? Do you say, I sent it now?
Nope. You say, I just sent it, or I sent it just now.
Perfect. That tells your friend it's done and it happened very recently.
Here's another one. You're at work and your boss asks, did you finish the report?
And you finished it 5 minutes ago. What do you say?
I just finished it, or I finished it just now.
Exactly. Not I finished it now. That sounds really strange.
Right. Americans will understand you, but they'll know you're not a native speaker.
And we want you to sound natural and confident.
Okay, now let's talk about another way Americans use just now. Sometimes we use it for emphasis.
What do you mean?
Like, imagine someone asks, when did you see him? And you say, just now, like 2 seconds ago.
Oh, I see. You're emphasizing how recent it was.
Exactly. Just now can add a little extra feeling, like super recently.
That's a great point. So just now is perfect when you want to emphasize the timing.
Yes. For example, I just now realized I forgot my keys.
That means you realized it at this very moment, just a second ago.
Right. It's like saying, wow, I just figured this out.
Love it. Okay, let's do more practice. I'll give you a situation and you tell me what to say.
Go for it.
Okay, you're on the phone with your mom. She asks, "Did you eat dinner?" You ate 10 minutes ago. What do you say?
I just ate or I ate just now.
Perfect. Not "I ate now."
Right. I ate now sounds like you're eating at this exact second.
Exactly. Okay, here's another one. Your friend asks, "Did you get my message? You saw it 1 minute ago."
I just saw it or I saw it just now.
Yes, great job. You're getting this.
Okay, now let's talk about another way Americans use right now. This is another phrase Americans use a lot.
Oh yeah, right now means exactly this moment with a little extra emphasis.
For example, I'm busy right now. That means I'm busy at this exact second.
Or "Can you help me right now?" That means I need help immediately.
Exactly. Right now is more urgent than just now.
Good point. So now is normal and right now is more immediate and strong.
Yes, like come here now versus come here right now. The second one sounds more urgent.
Totally. Okay, let's do a quick comparison. Listen to these sentences.
I'm eating now. That means I'm eating at this moment.
I just ate. That means I ate very recently, maybe 5 minutes ago.
I ate just now. Same meaning, very recent past.
And I'm eating right now. That means I'm eating at this exact second, and I'm emphasizing it.
Perfect summary. You see the difference?
Totally clear. Now let's practice in a role play. I'll be the learner and you correct me.
Sounds good. Go ahead.
Okay, I finished my homework now.
That sounds a little off. Try saying, I just finished my homework.
I just finished my homework.
Perfect. That sounds supernatural. Great job.
Thanks. Okay, let me try again. I watched the movie now.
Close, but not quite. Say, I just watched the movie.
I just watched the movie.
Yes, now you sound like an American. See how easy that is?
It really is. Once you know the rule, it's simple.
Exactly. And the rule is now is for things happening right this second. Just or just now is for things that already happened very recently.
Got it. Okay, let's test you. What's wrong with this sentence? I'm cooking just now.
Ooh, tricky. That one's actually okay in some English dialects, but in American English, we'd say I'm cooking now or I'm cooking right now.
Exactly. Just now is usually for past actions, not present actions.
Right. So I cooked just now is good, but I'm cooking just now sounds a bit strange in American English.
Good catch. Okay, here's another one. I just now am leaving.
That's awkward. We'd say I'm leaving right now or I'm just leaving now.
Yes, word order matters too.
Totally. In American English, we usually put just before the verb, like I just left or I just finished.
And just now usually goes at the end, like I left just now or I finished just now.
Exactly. That's the natural American pattern.
Okay, let's give our viewers some clear examples they can practice. Say it with us.
I just called you.
I called you just now.
I'm busy right now.
I just finished.
I finished just now.
Perfect. If you're saying these with us, you're doing great.
Now let's think about some common mistakes. A lot of learners say, I did it now, because in their language, that's how you say it.
Right. In some languages, now can mean both present and recent past.
But in English, we're really specific. Now is only for right this second.
Exactly. So remember, if it already happened, use just or just now.
And if it's happening at this exact second, use now or right now.
Simple rule, big difference in how you sound.
Okay, let's do one more role play. I'll be an American and you practice with me.
Sounds good.
Hey, did you finish that book I gave you?
Yes, I finished it now.
Try again. I just finished it.
Oh, I just finished it.
Perfect. That sounds so natural. Great job.
Thanks, I'm getting it now.
See, you're already sounding more American.
Okay, quick recap time. Let's go over the key phrases one more time.
Now means right this moment. I'm working now.
Just means very recently. I just ate.
Just now also means very recently. I ate just now.
Right now means this exact second, with emphasis. I'm busy right now.
Those are your key phrases. Practice them every day.
And remember, don't say I did it now. Say I just did it, or I did it just now.
That one simple change will make you sound so much more natural.
All right, we want to hear from you. Here's your homework.
In the comments, write one sentence using just or just now. Tell us something you did recently.
For example, I just watched this video, or I ate breakfast just now.
We'll read your comments and let you know if you got it right.
And if you learned something today, hit that like button. It really helps us make more videos for you.
And don't forget